Bitter melon, also known as Momordica carantia, has several properties that can help manage blood sugar levels and potentially aid in diabetes treatment. 1. Insulin-like compounds. Bitter melon contains compounds that mimic insulin, helping to lower blood sugar levels by increasing glucose uptake into cells and promoting its storage in the liver, muscles, and fat. 2. Glucose utilization. It enhances the body's ability to use glucose, which can help reduce blood sugar levels. 3. Nutrient retention. Bitter melon may help the body retain nutrients by blocking their conversion into glucose, thus preventing spikes in blood sugar. 4. Active substances. The fruit contains caranti, vicine, and polypeptide P, which have been shown to have blood glucose-lowering effects. 5. Lectin. This component reduces blood glucose concentrations by acting on peripheral tissues and suppressing appetite, similar to insulin's effects in the brain. Considering the many benefits of bitter melon related to blood sugar control, Atomy has launched the Atomy Blood Sugar Cut Bitter Melon product to help consumers control their blood sugar. Postprandial blood glucose manager, cut rising blood sugar. Atomy blood sugar, cut bitter melon, health functional food. Your blood sugar health is declining? So, cut your rising postprandial blood sugar, a healthy post-meal habit with 2 tablets a day to manage blood sugar. Contains unripe bitter melon ethanolic extract powder obtained from bitter melon, also known as Momordica carantia, an ingredient recognized for its functionality by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. Also contains 4 functional ingredients that not only manage blood sugar levels after eating, but provide care for the entire body. Manage postprandial blood sugar with Atomy Blood Sugar Cut Bitter Melon. Key features of Atomy Blood Sugar Cut Bitter Melon. 1. Unripe bitter melon ethanolic extract powder, the first in South Korea, recognized for its functionality by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. Functionality can help suppress a rise in blood sugar after eating. Safe raw material registered with the US FDA NDI. 100% domestic, Korean bitter melon used. Patented extraction method to obtain key ingredients from bitter melon. 2. Quintuple care at once. Combination of functional ingredients. They are unripe bitter melon ethanolic extract powder, magnesium, zinc, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. 3. Contains 8 carefully selected supplementary ingredients. They are Phaseolus vulgaris powder, cinnamon powder, pepper powder, onion extract powder, Morus alba leaf powder, L-arginine, garlic extract powder, vegetable extract powder. 4. Healthy habit with 2 sachets a day to manage blood sugar. Ultra-small tablets make the product easy to consume. What makes Atomy Blood Sugar Cut Bitter Melon special? Point 1. It contains unripe bitter melon. What is unripe bitter melon carantia? Unripe bitter melon is a cucurbitaceae plant, similar to a loofah, that grows in tropical regions. It is mainly harvested during the summer in South Korea. The bitter green fruit turns yellow-orange to almost red as it ripens. Unripe bitter melon with unformed seeds contains Y-aminobutyric acid, a substance that can help suppress a rise in blood sugar after eating. It has been recognized for its functionality by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety.
What makes Atomy Blood Sugar Cut Bitter Melon special? Point 2. Unripe bitter melon ethanolic extract powder recognized for its functionality. The powder is extracted from unripe bitter melon using a patented process. It has been recognized by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety for its ability to help suppress a rise in blood sugar after eating. Why use unripe bitter melon? The product contains unripe bitter melon as the seeds produce toxins once fully ripe. Only the pulp of unripe bitter melon is used after the seeds have been removed. We only use unripe bitter melon that has been harvested within 20 to 25 days of flowering. Only 3% is extracted from precious fresh unripe bitter melon. 2 small tablets a day contains 2.4 grams daily servings of unripe bitter melon ethanolic extract powder. Contains 2.592 milligrams of the indicator ingredient GABA. 2.4 grams of unripe bitter melon ethanolic extract powder a day can help suppress a rise in blood sugar after eating. What makes Atomy blood sugar cut bitter melon special? Point 3. Safe raw material registered with the US FDA NDI. Bitter melon is a safe raw material approved for use in the United States by the FDA. What is FDA NDI, or Food and Drug Administration New Dietary Ingredient? It is a system in which the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, reviews the safety of newly developed health functional food ingredients and authorizes their use in the United States. Ingredients are selected after undergoing a review to ensure that they meet all test results and analysis data required by the U.S. FDA. This includes the manufacturing process, history of use, and whether or not they are harmful to the human body. Make sure the ingredient really is from bitter melon, health functional food that can help suppress a rise in blood sugar after eating. Unlike general food that must comply with the Food Sanitary Act, health functional food must comply with the Health Functional Food Act and obtain a license from the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, obtain GMP certification and functional certification. General food is traditionally known as beneficial to the human body, while health functional food is produced and processed using raw materials or ingredients with functional properties beneficial to the human body. What makes Atomy blood sugar cut bitter melon special? Point 4. Results of human application test on the functional ingredient unripe bitter melon ethanolic extract powder. The human application test confirmed a significant difference in blood sugar before and after intake in the experimental group compared to the control group. After 12 weeks of consuming 2.4 grams of unripe bitter melon ethanolic extract powder, the subjects in the experiment group saw a decrease in postprandial blood sugar by 10.03 milligrams per deciliter, while the subjects in the control group saw an increase in blood sugar level by 12.05 milligrams per deciliter. Significant improvement in glucagon before and after intake was also confirmed in the experimental group compared to the control group. What makes Atomy blood sugar cut bitter melon special? Point 5. Quintuple Care Formula. With its 5-fold functionality, the product not only suppresses a rise in blood sugar after eating, but also helps with normal immune function, cell division, energy use, and maintaining normal levels of homocysteine in the blood. First, unripe bitter melon ethanolic extract powder may help suppress a rise in blood sugar after eating. Second, magnesium is necessary for energy use and for maintaining nerve and muscle function. Third, vitamin B12 is necessary for normal folic acid metabolism. Fourth, zinc is necessary for normal immune function and for normal cell division. Fifth, vitamin B6 is necessary for the utilization of protein and amino acids and for maintaining normal homocysteine levels in the blood. What makes Atomy blood sugar cut bitter melon special? Point 6. Carefully selected supplementary ingredients. Atomy blood sugar cut bitter melon is also enriched with 8 supplementary ingredients. They are Phaseolus vulgaris powder, Morus alba leaf powder, cinnamon powder, garlic extract powder, vegetable extract mixed powder, L-arginine, pepper powder, and onion extract powder. These ingredients have been known to have blood sugar lowering benefits. Phaseolus vulgaris may help lower blood sugar levels and reduce the absorption of calories. It contains alpha amylase inhibitors, which can prevent or delay the digestion of complex carbohydrates. Morus alba leaf powder, also known as mulberry leaf, can help with blood sugar levels. It contains compound that can inhibit alpha-glucosidase, which can help improve postprandial hyperglycemia, improve insulin resistance protect pancreatic beta cells, modulate glucose metabolism, and suppress inflammatory mediators and oxidative stress. Cinnamon may help lower blood sugar levels and improve blood sugar control. Cinnamon can increase insulin sensitivity, which may help lower blood sugar levels, trigger cells to remove glucose from the blood, and increase the activity of transporter proteins that move glucose out of the bloodstream and into cells.
Garlic extract can lower fasting blood glucose levels and HbA1c, which are characteristic of type 2 diabetes. Taking garlic powder by mouth can also reduce premeal blood sugar levels, especially if taken for at least 3 months. L-arginine is a semi-essential amino acid that helps produce nitric oxide, which is important for insulin sensitivity and normal endothelial function. Some studies have found that L-arginine supplementation can reduce fasting blood glucose and hemoglobin A1c concentrations, improve insulin status, reduce adiposity, and improve insulin sensitivity. Black pepper powder may help improve blood sugar control because it contains piperine, which improves insulin sensitivity, which is how well the body removes glucose from the bloodstream and improves blood sugar metabolism. Onion extract powder may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve glucose tolerance in people with diabetes. An ethanolic extract from dried onion peel can inhibit alpha amylase activity, which can reduce blood glucose levels and increase insulin production. Onion extract contains quercetin, an antioxidant that may help reduce hyperglycemia and diabetic complications. What makes Atomy blood sugar cut bitter melon special? Point 7. Extraction of functional raw materials through a strict manufacturing process of unripe bitter melon ethanolic extract powder. The functional raw materials are not simply ground, but are put through a dual extraction process: filtration, concentration, and sterilization. What makes Atomy blood sugar cut bitter melon special? Point 8. Easily cut your blood sugar with just 2 sachets a day. The ultra-small tablet is easy to swallow, making it a simple way to manage your blood sugar with just 2 tablets a day. Atomy blood sugar cut bitter melon is recommended for the following people: those who are concerned about a rise in blood sugar after eating, those who are concerned about their blood sugar every time they eat, those who need an easy way to control their blood sugar, those who usually consume a lot of stimulating or sweet food or carbohydrates, those who want to live a healthy and energetic life. Precautions when consuming Atomy blood sugar cut bitter melon. 1. Please thoroughly check all ingredients before taking, as individuals with certain medical conditions, allergic constitution, etc., may experience hypersensitivity reactions. 2. Do not consume products that have passed their expiration date. 3. Infants, children, pregnant women, and lactating women should be careful when consuming this product. 4. People with certain medical conditions, allergic constitution, etc., should be careful when consuming this product. 5. Stop taking this product and consult a specialist if any adverse reactions occur. Related health information. What is blood sugar? Blood sugar refers to the glucose contained in the blood. Blood sugar supplied throughout the body enters cells and is used to create energy with the help of a hormone called insulin. Why is it important to control your blood sugar? Our bodies need energy to maintain normal function. That's why our cells constantly create energy using nutrients that flow through the blood. Red blood cells and brain cells cannot survive without using glucose as an energy source, which is why it is so important to maintain a constant blood sugar level. Why is it bad to have higher than normal blood sugar? Higher than normal blood sugar can have a negative effect on the body, as it can interfere with the actions of many regulators that are transported through the blood. It can also reduce the functions of red blood cells, that transport oxygen, and white blood cells, that clean the blood vessels, putting a strain on the kidneys. Diabetes, a silent threat. Diabetes is a metabolic disease that occurs due to an insufficient secretion or malfunction of insulin, a hormone responsible for sending blood sugar, glucose, into cells. Diabetes is a phenomenon in which glucose is not absorbed by cells and instead remains in the blood, resulting in high blood sugar. Most of the food we ingest is broken down into glucose, then transported to the blood vessels and into our cells to be used as an energy source. Diabetes is a disease that remains in the blood. Insulin, a hormone secreted by the pancreas, plays a controlling role in sending glucose to our cells. However, glucose can't enter the cells if the pancreas is unable to produce insulin, which leads to a state of hyperglycemia. Insulin is a hormone secreted by the pancreas that is involved in regulating blood sugar. Glucagon is a protein-based hormone that acts in opposition to insulin.
Life Cycle National Health Insurance Corporation, Korea Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, National Food Safety 2018 Diabetes Fact Sheet from the Korean Diabetes Association revealed that 1 in 10 Koreans have diabetes. 3 out of 10 people with diabetes do not know they have diabetes. 7 out of 10 people with diabetes improperly managed blood sugar. Specifications of Atomy blood sugar cut bitter melon, a healthy choice to manage postprandial blood sugar. Product name, Atomy blood sugar cut bitter melon. Type of food, health functional food. Capacity, 1.65 gram by 60 packets for 1 month supply. Main functional ingredients: unripe bitter melon ethanolic extract powder, magnesium, zinc, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. Formulation: ultra-small tablet. Intake amount and method: 1 sachet twice a day. Expiration date: 24 months from the date of manufacture. Storage method: store at room temperature in low humidity and away from direct sunlight. Keep out of reach of children. Nutrients. Table shows the nutrients of Atomy blood sugar cut bitter melon per daily intakes.